y'all, Lily here. So yeah, it's been well over a year since I posted a video. Things just got really crazy and busy and we were pushing to finish everything. We've actually been in the house for about 8 months now, living here. So I just thought the best thing to do was pick up where we left off. So that's when I'm going to start with working on the floor in the master bath. So hope you enjoy. So my camera died before I could get a full video, but we got the HardieBacker cut to size for the guest bathroom. Daryl got all the corner pieces and strips on the shower system, then set in. And then we have all of the HardieBacker for this room cut to size. It still has to be thin set and screwed down, but we have a dry fit for this room and for the closet. So next step tomorrow is going to be to thin set underneath it and screw it all down, wait a couple days, and then we can tile it. So yeah, that's what we got done today. So in these next several clips, we are putting the Hardie board down with the thin set and then screwing it down and then filling and taping all the seams. The videos make it look really easy and like it went really fast, but crawling around on your hands and knees like that is not easy. And it definitely helps me appreciate my floor even more when I look back and watch these videos and see how much work we put into it. Hey y'all, Lily here. By myself today. I'm about to get started on tiling the bathroom, the master bathroom. I just cut me some halves. About to mix up the thin set. Yeah. I'm excited, but I'm also dreading this because I'm excited to get something done. I'm dreading it because the lard bucket is not the picture of physicality. I'm not in the greatest shape and I'm already sore from crawling around putting the thin set down for the Hardie board. And this is a big bathroom, so I'm not looking forward to crawling around on my hands and knees. But I am looking forward to getting it done, so that's good. I'm by myself to get started. Daryl's at work. Hopefully he'll come later and help me. I'm a little nervous because I'm not a planner and I'm worried I'm going to forget something. I just start doing things without thinking. So I'm trying to slow down. That's why I went ahead and cut my tile so that I had several ready. Now I'm about to mix up my thin set. And I've got my spacers. I need to get them in a bucket and ready to go. My trowel, I guess I need to find that. Oh, there's one. That will work. But yeah, so about to get started doing that. And I'm excited. So let's see how it turns out. So you will notice that this is the same tile that I used in the utility room as well as the downstairs bathroom. I'd played around with the idea of using a different tile, but I really like this one. It's simple and it goes with just about everything. So we decided to stick with this tile. I did use a different tile in the kitchen, but you'll see that later. So I'm at a thin set and steam. like about 2 more runs here. The closet, I will have to get some in the closet finished. And I still have to do the little bathroom. So I will pick up where I left off tomorrow. In my defense, this is a bigger room than I've ever done. I'm not looking forward to the grouting. But as wonky and out of level and out of plumb this room was, I think it's going to turn out pretty good.